Bulldogs going up against the Red Spikers because both teams play in the UAAP and NCAA respectively. But Coach Kung Fu, alam niyo na kasi yung
Setup as well for Gracie Ponya, knowing that she was also actually part of Mata.
and no one was there for Alexa Mata. And what a setup job.
Like that, there is always an activation from the middle blockers. So kahit sino talaga yung nawawala sa kanila, hindi nagiging
On the floor defense of the Lady Bulldogs. So great orchestration on the offense of the Sanbeda. But
Alexa Mata as well as Chamcha Maaya really needed to fill in that shoes as we see this 3-0 run. Arapanike, who's seated on the sidelines right now. That's why Pat Salazar is a starter. Look at that slam coming from Celine Marsh.
Marsh attack, unfortunately, Celine Marsh on top of that set here. Nakuha naman nilang pumasa.
And right now,
Lola, Mama Iting, given to her the moment she was born. And from there on, ay lagi nga raw ito suot ni Angel, even during her leagues.
Yung mga plays ng NU, nothing too fancy. It's in fact the errors of Sanbeda that's dragging them down.
yun na nga eh. Grabe pa rin yung blockings dito ng Lady Bulldogs, kaya nahihirapan din magkaroon ng atake.
Yes.
Itong Lady Red Spikers, Hiponya to Bachar. Access denied by the Lady. Sophomore pa lang itong si Janelle Bachar.
But you can see the experience na no, ni Janelle Bachar. It's as if she's playing like one of the veterans.
Bulldogs has been very persistent already. They're really trying to target also, no? Not just their players from the high school division.
Yes.
From high school na rin yan, but this block is brought to you by Perry Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar.
And that's how you want to respond to a timeout. But Celine Marsh continues to be unfazed.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
Although don't make those errors din naman.
So itong si Joniega, pati si Esmina na substitute para sa will also be chipping in points para sa NU.
That's just a perfect volleyball right there for Cha.
17-6. Combination play. Vanch Alinsog. This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
That was a great fake set by Lams Lamina right there. Naku, Sug with that single block.
Nakikita natin, no, pag nagdidiko yung middle blockers ng NU, mahihirapan ka talagang basahin eh. But right now, sila dito,
No.
no, ini-interview natin sila for
Yes.
right after that pandemic. 8. Vanch Alinsog.
It's, you know, the way she, a perfect execution on that, the way she threw that ball up.
Doon niya rin nakukuha yung
Yes.
power. Lamina, reverse setup, goes to Salazar off the blockers.
Smart move.
University taking on set number 125. Heads, Facebook, Instagram. Just use the hashtags. Hashtag Shaky Super League and hashtag All to Play. As well as in the UAAP in celebration as well of the 50 years of Shaky.
Yes. Great adjustment.
Sigot to Escanlar. 2 points dito sa ating set. Makaka-relate dyan si Mikey.
Yes.
USRN in the making.
Of course. But for Bombita, it's also an added parang motivation.
Usually, no, yung Abby Pono tsaka kay Bombita, grabe na yung duo na yan eh.
Yes.
That's something that we're missing here in the second.
So far for the Lady Bulldogs here. And the Red Spikers, they're just really...
In her high school years in the La Salle Lipa.
That's a good decision making there for Abby Pono to go to Bahamonde. No, after that, switch things up and go for a different attacker. And again, Abby
Spikers who are not picky with those setups. Kumbaga, nagagawa nila ng paraan. But that one to play will work.
Waited that actually for the Lady Bulldogs. Hindi nila inabangan yun eh. Kasi we in fact didn't see.
So, ng Sanbeda. Another chance. 1-2 play.
Yep, I was...
Of course, they couldn't afford NU to pull away here in the second set, but the best waiters, De La Cruz. This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order na. Her wiseness in terms of her attack points. Cross court, doon ang depensa ng San Beda. Angel Habacon off the bench.
And Angel Habacon was just ready for that. Although facing cross court, but found a way to get that.
Umpisa niya rin nung opening set. Pero agad na parang nababasa naman itong NU. So binalik din ang maturity, yung leadership sa loob nandoon para sa kanilang teams.
Yes. But yung laro nila in set number 1.
Lams, reverse setup. Goes to K. Bahamonde, no go. Angel Habacon. Delayed by that net. Escanlar. They knew that they've been going for that corner pocket. Talking about Myrtle Escanlar.
Great defense here.
From the back row, that off speed. Separa with that save. You go to K, that bomb!
Daphne. In the previous rallies, yung trendy Lams Lamina, nasa open, nasa gitna yung sets niya. But how the Lady Bulldogs would want to respond to that timeout.
Right on cue. Myrtle knew what to do this time, opting to go for that drop.
And it's nice to have na, if your coach...
Welcome back, Myrtle Escanlar here in set number 2. Bantay sarado. Lams Lamina locked in with that net defense.
No, that was already anticipated.
Nope. Then, and unfortunately, there was 22.
Elevation, which is an advantage as a middle blocker.
Lams goes to Vanch. Combination play.
This at Daphne and Rhea.
So malakas ang pulso ni Pat Salazar. Kasi imagine mo, well, softball player din. Siyempre, strength talaga niyan yung bagay yung arms no? Pero right on cue, Pat Salazar here. University, magkakaroon pa ng tsansa. Itong San Beda. Lams goes to Vanch, cross court. A bit stunned.
By Vangeline Sug on that attack.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart, our way. Now, yun yung ginagawa dito ni Vangeline Sug, no? So hard to read whether she's gonna go for those cross courts or down the line. Pero ngayon, they go to Vanch. Long ball, Redwell naman for Angel Habacon. Set back on the side of this team from Mendiola. Lamina to Alexa Mata with that.
Marsh for that counter-attack.
This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Yung palo na yun, napa-half split.
Sikit ng maayos ng NU.
4-point game, combination play.
Dogs.
Grabing setup. Ang
Expect din kasi for Lams Lamina to give that to Vangeline Sug kasi in the previous rallies, Daphne.
For those volleyball fans watching us on Facebook, pati na rin po on YouTube. Celine Marsh, the program of National University. Siyempre yung iba sa kanila, find new homes. Pero still, lamang po ng 7 points. Make that 8 as Alexa Mata seems to be.
Now, double substitution made here for Coach Reg Pono and the bomb Bombita. Again, walk of San Beda. This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. 3-13. Cut. Goes to Janelle. Char on that opposite attack was Vangeline Sug, who was at the right place in National U. De La Cruz. Pono goes to Bomb Bombita.
Bomb Bombita, when in fact, not only she's giving those powerful attacks, pero ang kalma niyang umatake.
Double substitution. Talking about itong si Abby Pono and K. Bombita. But Janelle Bachar with that 2023, they went winless last season. They bagged their first win in the tournament. So right, one itong si Hardio with that defense she has been helping out for NU. Over received chance here for San Beda. Grace to Angel.
No, Angel Abacon could not get a block touch.